everyone, welcome back to my channel. My name is Jing. In this episode of Storytime with Jing, I'm going to teach you the most basic and the most common Chinese characters through pictures. If you think learning Chinese characters through pictures is a good idea, you should definitely finish watching this video. Let's get started. This is a character for number 1. It says E. E. It looks just like one pencil. This is R. It means number 2 in Chinese. It looks like 2 pencils. R. 3. This is the Chinese character for number 3. As you can see, it looks just like 3 pencils. 4. This is the character for number 4. It looks like 4 pencils in the shape of a rectangle or square. 4. 5. This is the character for number 5. It looks just like 5 pencils. I don't know what kind of shape it is. I don't know how to describe it. Use your imagination and help you to remember this character. 6. This is the Chinese character for number 6. It is in the shape of 6 pencils, or it also looks like a star. 7. This is the character for number 7. 7. It looks like a hook. It looks like 7 pencils in the shape of a hook. 8. This is the character for number 8. It looks like a mountain. It looks like 8 pencils in the shape of a mountain. 9. This is the character for number 9. 9. It looks like 9 pencils in the shape of a slide. Does it look like a slide to you? 10. This is the character for number 10. 10. It looks like 10 pencils in the shape of a cross. 10. 日. This is the character for the sun. 日. 月. This is the character for the moon. 月. 水. The character 水 looks like river. Looks like a river. It means water. 火. The character 火 looks like a flame. It means fire. 火. 土. 土. It means dirt. It looks like a plant growing out of a pile of dirt. 风. It means wind in English. It looks like a windmill. Or you can say it looks like a kite. 风. 云 it means cloud in English. This character looks like the cloud over the mountain. 云雨 This character means rain. It looks like a thunderstorm. 雨山 It means mountain. It looks just like a mountain. 山木 This is a character, means wood. It looks like wood branches. 石 It means rock. This character looks like a rock. 气 It means air. This Chinese character looks like the air above a coffee mug or a cup. 人 means person. It looks like a walking person. The person is walking. 天 It means sky. This character looks like a person reaching out her arms, her legs under the cloud. 天花 It means flower. It looks like 4 flowers. 鸟 means bird. This character looks like a bird sitting on a branch. 鱼 means fish. It looks like a upside down fish. 虫 It means insect or bug. It looks like a worm on a piece of leaf. 虫 牛 It means cow. It looks like the head of a cow or the head of an ox. 羊 It means sheep or goat. It looks just like the head of a sheep or goat. 马 It means horse. It looks like a horse running. 大 It means big. This character looks like a person stretching out his arms, his legs to make himself look big. 大 小 It means small. This character looks like a baby reaching out his arms. 小 上 It means up. It looks like a bird sitting on the branch of a tree. 上 下 It means down or under. It looks like an apple falling down the tree. 下多 means more or a lot. 多 It looks like many dots. 少 means less. It looks like less dots comparing to 多 少 出 it means out. It looks like a plant growing out of the ground. 出 入 it means into. It looks like a person walking into a door. 入 左 means left. It looks like a hand pointing to the left. The arm, the finger point to the left. 左 右 means right. Looks like the arm pointing to the right.开 means open. It looks like an open window. 关 it looks like the door is closed. 关谢谢观看 Thanks for watching. This is only the part 1 of learning Chinese character through pictures. If you enjoyed this video, please give me a thumb up and I will make more video about learning Chinese characters through pictures. Thank you. Bye. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel. See you next time.